Hello, from Namecheap and EasyWP. Today, we'll show you how to add meta tags to your WordPress site, helping you optimize your website's performance. Meta tags are snippets of text that describe a page's content. They don't appear on the page itself but only in the page's code. They help search engines understand what your page is about. Here are 3 types of meta tags. Meta title: this is the title of your page that appears in search engine results. Meta description: a brief summary of your page content, which also appears in search results. Meta keywords: a list of important keywords relevant to your page content. Although not as commonly used today, they can still be beneficial. Once you have installed and activated the Google Sitekit plugin, the setup wizard will guide you through the process of connecting your site to Google Analytics. Visual: the user clicks on Start Setup in the Google Sitekit plugin. First, let's add meta tags using the Yoast SEO plugin. Start by installing and activating the Yoast SEO plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. Sign in with your Google account to grant the necessary permissions. Once activated, go to the Yoast SEO settings page. Here, you can add meta titles and descriptions for each page and post. Edit any post or page, scroll down below the page content to the Yoast SEO section, and enter your meta title and description. Yoast will even show you a preview of how it will look in search results. Now, let's add meta tags using the Rank Math plugin. Install and activate Rank Math from the WordPress plugin directory. After activation, go to the Rank Math settings page. Similar to Yoast, you can add meta titles and descriptions for your pages and posts. Edit any post or page, scroll down to the Rank Math section, and enter your meta title and description. Rank Math also provides a preview of how it will appear in search results. For best practices on creating meta tags that help with site performance, check the links in the video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Happy optimizing!